everybody, welcome back to my channel, Wise Thunder. Today we are going for another bike ride, and I'm sorry, but sometimes I just have nothing to do. Going to pick up Evan. See you when we pick up Evan. Peace out. Woo! Hey guys, I'm back here with Tommy, my brother. Tommy, say hi to the camera.
Alright.
And Evan is not home, so yeah. Sorry about that. Goodbye, everybody. I might make another video, so stay tuned. Bye-bye. Woo. Everybody, like, subscribe, comment, whatever you gotta do. Alright, everybody. Good night.
I ruined it.